Hi, my name is Sarah Dawson, and I'm talking to you today about my design thinking project, which is helping teens find scholarships. After interviewing teens I know to see how the library could best help them, I learned that one thing they needed help with was looking for and filling out scholarships. Instead of reinventing the wheel, I decided to use services the library already offers but are often underused. Based on feedback from classmates, I thought that a general how-to program would be the best place to start. This would be available to teens and their families and offered to all 8th grade through high school aged teens, since some scholarships require signing up early. This wouldn't be the final flyer, as it would need to be on brand with the Tulsa City County Library system, but it would be something like this. During the program, I would show them the library resource guide for scholarships, which is this page. I won't click through all of the links, but I will show you some of what is available to talk about during this program. One that I would bring up, especially if younger teens attended, would be Oklahoma's Promise. This is for low-income families, and as long as they follow the guidelines, they receive a substantial scholarship. Another would be OK College Start, and that's what this page looks like. As you can see, there are ways to determine how much you will need with financial aid calendars, ways to find scholarship applications, which is here, and a way to make a financial aid plan so that they can attend college. If there were more older students, I would show them you can go to scholarships, and I would show them here they can search by category, they can search by deadline. There's also a scholarship of the week, and there are lots and lots of scholarships available to students on this page. At this point, they would be free to ask questions. As you can see, we have the link for the FAFSA, and I mean, this is a pretty extensive guide, so if they had more questions, they could be free to ask. But if they had really in-depth questions about specific scholarships, I would lead them, or I would plug my Book a Librarian program, which is another service that the library already offers. And I use the same graphic again because after I send this to the communications department, it would have to be on brand, so it would be similar to this. But essentially, Book a Librarian is one-on-one time for the teen, and it's uninterrupted. They could ask as many questions as they needed, and it would be specifically for you to help them find and apply for scholarships, because some of those applications can be difficult. And there's a way for them to book for a librarian online. And that is my design thinking project. Thank you.